In this tutorial, we will learn how to make rotating logo in After Effects. Go to Composition and select New Composition and give it a name. I am naming it Rotating Logo. Set width and height of video. I am going to set it to 1920 by 1080. Set duration to 3 seconds and click OK button. Go to File, Import File option and import logo image. Or right-click on Project Panel, select Import, then File and import logo. Drag the logo image to Layer Panel and simply drag the corner of image to resize it. Enable the 3D switch, then expand the logo layer. In Transform, enable Y rotation key. Make sure the indicator is at the start point. Now move the indicator to the end of timeline and increase the Y rotation value by dragging it to left. Press spacebar to preview or play button. You will notice a green line in timeline and it comes to end when rendering is complete. Now go to File, select Save As and save your work. If you want to make video of it, then go to File, then Export and select Add to Render Queue. Select Best Setting and press OK button. Click Lossless and select Video Format. AVI format will take large disk space, try to avoid it. If you already installed QuickTime, you can export it in movie format, or download Vocoder plugin for MP4 format. I will use Vocoder. Now on Output to set file name and press Save button. Finally, click Render button and the rendering will start. It will take little time. When rendering is complete, you can open the file and play your video. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.